Okay. Mom, I'm at the back of the old building. We are at the backyard, backside. So this is the hatchery, and this is these are the two windows that is facing the hatchery. Then, mommy, over here is the soccer pit, soccer way. This is how far they have gone with it. Us na balaya yon. So this is how far they have gone with the soccer pit. This is the soccer pit. This is how far they have gone with it. Then I'm just trying to make a video of the I got made today. Had my house. I'm just trying to make a video of the toilet and bedroom batcher that day is doing. So on Mikembo day. First lay Mechala for today that is tired, that he will continue from tomorrow. Then let me just be on 7, 8 or 2. Okay, he be Chile or 8 Chile complete. Okay, he may be Guia block ndeno, and he may be Guia Oshishi. So okay, this is what he did today. Who may be Tia Oshishi. But there, HM la anya karasi la ogayi di close to ukwoha. Anya karoti ya. Even malavida ime na anya karoti ya. Isli gibido from on eba abo. Ikakwara line. Isli gibido from la nga abo he hano. La anya lazu nga abo hano. Igibido medi eba akporo ha oku. Ebe akporo ha oku otu logayi do la fence. Ke logayi do la the extreme fence, which is fence ka na ebe a. Akwa ni di close to ukwoha. Day, akwa mere video yesterday. Elokwa na otu nga jidi mi we wela ka owanu biko.